Hi, I'm Lorna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I have an announcement of a fun thing coming up on our channel. Actually it was Darren's idea. We are going to do a contest, and there will be prizes. We've done this in the past, usually around Halloween, and now we're going to do something very different. We would like for you to send us a video that is 15 seconds long. No music, no names in it, no at such and such, none of that, because Darren's going to put in your channel name and on each clip on our channel, and we want them all to be the same. No Instagram addresses, nothing like that. Just 15 seconds, no music, no talking, and here's what we want you to do. Dress a doll or make a setup of an Australian Christmas. Now in Australia, it's summertime at Christmas. So here's some fabric ideas that I had, and also some yarn ideas. I got this from Tammy Polly, and I save it back. I've used some, but not very much, because it's like my favorite print. It's Christmas with little bitty bicycles. I love the size of the print, and I love everything about it. And pink. Isn't this cute? I found this at Hobby Lobby, I think last year. And then a simple red and green print, anything like that. Little summer outfits, red and green bells, big green bells, anything, any doll, any setup you like to do, 15 seconds long, sent to Darren, and we will put his email address in the description, and we need those in by December 15th. We will be airing this on December 19th, and we will be sharing who won right after that. This is worldwide. Darren is going to pay the postage to send a gift to anybody that wins, and it'll be our choice. We're going to sit down and decide which one, which little setup or which little outfit or whatever we like the best. Thank you for watching. I really hope you'll enter. Please give us a like, a comment, and subscribe.